How's it going?
You guys all three getting a scoop? You two back there? I'm gonna put you on one paper, is that okay? You guys don't need a receipt anyways,
No,
do you?
no.
I'm gonna write it all on one paper and you give it to the lucky receipt guy. Kayaks. 25 each. $25.
Thank you. And we made bait. As good as it gets. A few hours later, we'll have a fly line in the water. We'll see what happens. We're still heading out to the spot. Have like about 2 more hours. So not the boil we were looking for, but there's some kind of life at least. Lots of dolphins. You're about 35 minutes into it and about 1.5 miles from where you hooked it.
Thanks for following me, man.
Yeah, no worries. I just messed up on the first video.
Oh yeah, nobody was ready. I wasn't ready.
That stupid thing has like a new setting with the time lapse and shit. I must have pressed time lapse, but I was too far away anyway.
Yeah. It was jumping like right next to Tommy.
Oh yeah.
Let's go, Tommy. Give me one chance. One chance. One chance at gas. That's it.
Had to turn off the camera because conserving battery. Exactly 3 hours have gone by. Total distance covered 8.5 miles that the fish has told them. Between 2.5 miles to 3 miles an hour for 9 hours, for 8.5 miles, he's been told. And for the third time we saw color, and she goes down again. Meanwhile, Catalina is very close to us, but we're kind of going towards San Clemente, which probably where this fish lives. Boat ramp. If we turn around right now, it's gonna be 16 miles back. Yep, good times. Have a little more battery left. Hopefully I get the money shot. It's very hard keeping up with him. My legs are starting to get burned. Probably gonna take like at least 6 hours to go back. Been chasing him for the past 3 hours. The Marlin jumped only a few times in the beginning, but because I'm an idiot, I got most of the footage at time-lapse on the GoPro, so I don't think anything is gonna come out of that, but I was kind of far away anyway. Hopefully we see it in a few minutes. Come on, get him so we can go home. Might have tried to gaff it a little too early and we just pissed him off. Pedal forward.
You got a water, Tommy?
Hopefully, I'm trying my best. After 5.5 hours, we have tag team action going on. Tommy is being punished for doing shitty gaff jobs, and now he's on. Okay, so official time 5 hours and 34 minutes. Total distance being dragged around 11.5 miles, and the Marlin lives on to be caught another day. Caught and released successfully. And now the easy part, going back to the launch. We already probably done around 24 miles, and we have exactly 17 miles back to the boat ramp. Yep, good times. So, quick update of the situation. We run into a little bit of a problem. We're kind of running out of daylight, or should I say evening light, and we still have a little bit over 10 miles back to the boat ramp, and we're kind of having to fight current and wind at the same time, moving very slow. It's gonna take us like another 7 hours to get back there, and it's gonna be dark. Estimated arrival, it tells me basically the next day after 1 a.m. and we launched this morning 5:30. Anyway, a good friend is coming to the rescue. Looks like we're gonna live to die another day, just to tow us back the rest of the way. And I guess the total mileage that we're gonna end up with is close to 35 miles or a little bit over. Yeah, but overall, freaking awesome, epic day. I got to film a lot of the action. Hopefully all the videos came out the way they should have. I know I messed up a little bit in the beginning because I shot a little bit in time-lapse before I realized. But yeah, if you see a video, I survived. Special thanks to Key, and so stoked for Fresh and Salty group that it's awesome to be able to hook up with other nut jobs and people that are not afraid to do epic stuff. So with that I leave you, and smash the like button please. And as soon as the guy with the boat shows up, I'll try to film some of that, but my battery is almost about to die, so hopefully I still have a little bit of battery left for the rest of the way. Later, bye. The walk of shame.
Ghost ride this kayak.
There were 2 more guys with us, but they died and we ate.
Come out here.
They died and we ate them. That's fucking dark jokes. Oh.